Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with an Auto World unboxing. This time it's not any of the standard series. It is the World's Best Assortment 2023 Release 1. So this has two different vehicles in it. It's got the Caravan and the F-150, and you get 3 of each. I ordered a case. I don't know why I ordered a case. I really should have just got 1 of each. But it is what it is. So this came from 3000 Toys. I purchased it. If you watch the Hot Pursuit Series 44 video, it came in the same big old box that arrived yesterday. So maybe I'll pull an ultra red, right? Or maybe I'll just have 3 and 3. So here we go. Just real quick, World's Best Mom. You can see it's going to be for the 84 Caravan. It's got a lot of words here, okay? And it is very cool. It comes on a little placard here. I'm sorry, like a little plinth with the sign in the back, right? Classic minivan. It's got the window chalk, go team, winners on board, it says in the back. It's got a Florida license plate, pretty interesting. And the little pennants are drawn there, and I'm not sure what's on the other side, but it looks like it says champions and #1. So very cool. Nice variation to this recently introduced casting, which is phenomenal. And the standard blue just looks great. So let's see if, so here's another standard one. So one more opportunity to pull. I don't even know if they come with ultralight. And there we go. So 3 standards, great. Just what I need. Let's move on to the World's Best Dad, right? So here we have their 2018 Ford F-150. It's the what is this? The XLT FX4, right? 4x4 trim. It's red. It's got a nice tan interior there. World's Best Dad. Again, more words on the back. Great for Father's Day. Oh, here we go. We can do it on the back window. And it looks like a Louisiana, Illinois. I don't know. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, I can't see that. I'll need my macro lens to really zoom in on that. But great casting. Again, this has really nice heft to it. All die cast. It's got nice chrome wheels and sharp looking casting here. All right, so let's see if I just get 3 of the same, or maybe I'll get an ultra red. Here's another one. Okay. And last but not least, no. Okay. So again, nice little variation on the standard Auto World release theme. It's a premium series special edition. It says here, you got World's Best Dad, World's Best Mom, just in time for Mother's Day, Father's Day. Although I'm not sure if my own father would appreciate this, or my mom, I don't know. So anyway, thanks for viewing, and we'll see you on the next one.